Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make Mom's penne pasta with bacon and peas. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large pan over medium heat, saute bacon and olive oil until golden brown. Add the onions and garlic. Cook it for about 3 minutes until softened. Then drizzle in heavy cream until mixture begins to thicken. Add the butter and stir until melted, then fold in the cooked pasta and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in peas and parsley, adding a splash of water if the pan begins to dry out. Toss until pasta is evenly coated. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese and serve warm. Pair with a glass of white wine and enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos!